Imagine this. You're rushing to catch a flight, and as you breeze through security, there's no fumbling for your passport or ID, just a quick glance at a camera and boom, you're through. Or maybe you've had one of those days where your phone just simply refuses to recognize you because, well, bedhead. Facial recognition is everywhere, from unlocking our phones to getting through airport security faster. But how does it work, and is it really as secure as it seems? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this technology works and where it's making life easier or more complicated. The idea of facial recognition has been around since the 1960s, when computers were first used to detect basic facial patterns. But back then, the technology was so primitive, you'd be lucky if it could even tell the difference between a human face and a lamp. One of the first experiments was led by Woodrow Bledsoe, who manually mapped out facial features using a ruler. Yup, a ruler. He marked distances between the nose, eyes, and mouth on photographs. Primitive, yes, but a crucial first step towards what we have today. So, what exactly is facial recognition today? Well, in simple terms, it's a system that maps the unique features of your face, like the distance between your eyes or the curve of your jaw, and then turns that into data, kind of like a barcode for your face. This is called a faceprint. Imagine drawing a dot-to-dot picture of your face, but instead of just lines, it's a digital blueprint that's compared with thousands of other blueprints in a fraction of a second. Pretty cool, right? Let's break this down step by step. So, when your phone or a security system scans your face, it doesn't take a picture, it creates a 3D map. It looks at things like the depth of your eyes and the shape of your cheekbones. Think of it like building a Lego set, where each facial feature is a different brick. Once your face is mapped, the system then converts that map into a string of numbers called a faceprint. This is what gets compared to other faceprints in the system. If there's a match, well, you're good to go. If not, hello, password. Now, a common question is, what if I grow a beard, wear glasses, or even just change my hairstyle? Don't worry, modern facial recognition can definitely handle it. Systems are designed to recognize you based on key structural features like your eyes and nose, which stay the same no matter your look. Ever wonder if wearing sunglasses can fool facial recognition? Spoiler alert, sometimes it actually can. You probably use facial recognition every day without even thinking about it. It's on your phone, unlocking your apps and making sure no one but you can get in. But that's just the beginning. Airports have embraced facial recognition to speed up everything from check-in to boarding. No more digging through your bags for your passport. Airports like JFK and Heathrow have already put these systems in place. You just walk up to a camera, it scans your face, and boom, you're through. It's like living in the future. Security is another area where facial recognition is making waves. Governments and businesses are using it to monitor public spaces, control crowd movements, and even catch criminals. In fact, the FBI uses facial recognition to identify suspects in large crowds, helping law enforcement track down individuals faster than ever. On the bright side, facial recognition is making our lives more efficient. It reduces waiting times at airports, prevents fraud, and can even help with personalized services, like knowing it's you the moment you walk into a smart home or use a banking app. What do you think? Could facial recognition replace credit cards or even passwords someday? Go ahead and let us know in the comments. Let's be real, facial recognition isn't without its controversies. One of the biggest concerns? Privacy. Many people worry that their face is being stored in giant databases without their consent. And while most systems only store face prints, not actual photos, it is still a valid concern. Take, for example, the case of San Francisco banning facial recognition for government use due to privacy issues. They were concerned about the potential misuse of this technology in public spaces. The good news? Governments are catching on. New laws and regulations are being proposed to ensure that companies using facial recognition are transparent and keep your data safe. In the EU, for example, there are strict rules on how biometric data is collected and stored. But what's your take? Should facial recognition be used everywhere, or are the privacy concerns too great? Go ahead and let me know down below. So what's next for facial recognition? Well, as AI continues to evolve, we'll see systems that can detect emotions, moods, and even health conditions just by analyzing your face. Imagine your phone unlocking and just going, "Tough day, want me to order a pizza?" But with great power comes great responsibility. As facial recognition tech improves, we need to think about the ethical implications. Could it be used for mass surveillance? Will it discriminate against certain people based on age, race, or gender? These are the questions we still need to answer as this tech develops. On the flip side, facial recognition could help improve accessibility for people with disabilities or create personalized experiences in retail, hospitality, and even healthcare. And that's the lowdown on facial recognition technology. From unlocking phones to enhancing security, it's changing the way we live. Cutting-edge technology brings endless possibilities, but it also brings with it some serious dilemmas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell for more tech explainers from Tech Weekly. Got thoughts on facial recognition? Let's keep that conversation going down in the comments. Where do you think this tech will be in the next 5 years? Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, especially the ones who struggle with phone recognition. You know who you are.